As reported by Voanews, Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdoğan hopes for positive steps on F-35 jet program in Biden term. As you may already know, the US has removed Turkey from the F-35 Joint Strike Fighter program in 2019 due to the purchase of S-400 air defense system from Russia. Last week, President Recep Tayyip Erdoğan said he hoped positive steps will be taken on Turkey's role in the F-35 jet program once U.S. President-elect Joe Biden takes office, describing Ankara's exclusion for purchasing Russian defenses as a serious wrong. Last month, Washington imposed long-anticipated sanctions on Turkey's defense industry over its acquisition of S-400 missile defense systems from Moscow. In a move Turkey called a grave mistake, the United States has also removed fellow NATO member Turkey from the F-35 program over the move. Washington says the S-400s pose a threat to its F-35 fighter jets and to NATO's broader defense systems. Turkey rejects this, saying S-400s will not be integrated into NATO, and purchasing them was a necessity as it was unable to procure air defense systems from any NATO ally on satisfactory terms. No country can determine the steps we will take toward the defense industry. That fully depends on the decisions we make, Erdogan told reporters in Istanbul, adding Ankara was in talks to procure a second shipment of S-400s from Russia, and would hold talks on the issue later this month. We don't know what the Biden administration will say at this stage on the S-400, he added. Despite having paid a serious fee on the F-35s, the F-35s still have not been given to us. This is a serious wrong the United States did against us as a NATO ally, he said.